To install the IF set, we must fill a quarter of the drip chamber with the liquid. Some models of set have one line to indicate the recommended level. We must keep the roller clamp closed. The pump has a drip sensor that must always be used. We open and place it right above the liquid level. We recommend not leaving this sensor in contact with direct sunlight. Before installing the set, we must turn on the pump and wait for the initial checkup. Then we open the door to fit the tube. To install the set, grab the clamp and push it to the end. Then, insert first the orange piece and push it to the end. Next, insert the white connector and stretch the tube a little bit to install it in the air bubble section. To close the door, we lift the blue part, press and lower it.